Today's video is regarding HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Switch on the printer and open the ink cartridge chamber door. So just push this forward. Once they come here, push the ink cartridges. It will unlock them. So you have to push it in and that will unlock. And to reinstall them, simply place the ink cartridge here, slide it in, push it in, it will lock here. So make sure you match the color. So ring like structure will face outside, and this way we can install it, and then we can do the last one. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and go to the display panel. And once you see all the icons are ready, then you can use it. Thanks for watching.